This is a 2008 Toyota Prius. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a folding rear seat, cruise control, a traction control system, an anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, side impact door beams, heated side view mirrors, a rear window defroster, and a rear spoiler. With an EPA estimated rating of 45 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. This car has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Texas Toyota of Grapevine is located at 801 State Highway 114 East in Grapevine. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.